Hey guys, welcome back to A to Z Review Box. How to choose best water purifier? What is TDS level? What is the ideal level of TDS for drinking water? What is RO, UV, UF technologies? You are going to buy water purifier for the first time. Definitely these questions rises in your mind. But end of this video you will be having answer to all these questions. Before planning to buy water purifier, you need to check the water at your home and its TDS level. According to the Bureau of Indian Standards, water level up to 500 TDS is safe for drinking. If TDS level is 100 to 300, that is ideal for drinking. If TDS level is between 300 to 500, is acceptable range. If TDS level is below 100, that is demineralized water, which means no minerals with that. If TDS level is above 500, that is non-ideal water, which is hard water with impurities. Choosing the right water purifier for your home is extremely important in order to ensure good health. And the first step in choosing the right purifier is understanding the quality of water and selecting the suitable water purification technology. If your borewell water TDS level in the range of 100 to 300, then you don't need an RO water purifier. You can choose UV water purifier in this case. What happens if you use an RO water purifier in this range? If you choose an RO water purifier, it will demineralize your water, which is not safe to drink. There are no minerals in that water. If TDS level is above 300 and below 500, then you can choose UV UF water purifier. If your TDS level is between 500 to 900, then you can go with RO UV water purifier will be the best option. So we understand the TDS level and which technology suits their TDS level. Now we can see each technology how it purifies the water in depth. What is RO water purifier? RO water purifiers are devices that remove impurities from water by reverse osmosis technology. These types of water purifier use a partially permeable membrane to purify the water. When water passes through this membrane, all the contaminants are removed. When water is purified in this way, dissolved or undissolved particles, no matter how small in size, remains on other side of the membrane. On the other hand, only purified water can pass towards the user. How does an RO purifier work? Osmosis. Osmosis is a natural process where fluid moves from low density region to high density area when separated by a semi-permeable membrane. Reverse osmosis is exact opposite to osmosis. In this case, the fluid is transferred from region of higher density to lower density by applying pressure. We already know that RO purifier filters water through semi-permeable membrane. This membrane has numerous tiny pores that are no larger than 0.0008 microns in size. Only water molecules can pass through this small pores, and the other contaminants in the water cannot pass through these pores due to their large size. So only pure water is supplied to other side of the membrane. This method removes all contaminants, be it mud, salt, dust, virus or bacteria. Even molecules of dissolved toxins such as lead, arsenic, cadmium or fluoride are removed from the water by this method. So now we look at UV water purifier. UV water purifiers are devices that disinfect water with ultraviolet rays. This type of water purifiers has an ultraviolet lamp inside the chamber that emits an germicidal wavelength. When water flows around it, UV rays kill harmful germs like virus, bacteria present in the water. UV is highly effective method that can disinfect water up to 99.9%. Now we look how UV water purifier work. This type of water purifier has a UV lamp attached to the chamber. When water flows through this chamber, pathogens such as bacteria and virus take deadly dose of UV rays that destroy DNA of their cells and kills them. Although the dead bodies of germ remain in the water, they can no longer reproduce and do us no further harm. So, UV water purifier ensures 99.9% sterile drinking water. What is UF water purifier? UF is a basic water purification technology that is somewhat similar to RO water purifier technology. However, it is not as advanced as RO technology. Like RO purifier, UV purifiers also work based on semi-permeable membranes. This membrane helps to remove contaminants from water molecules. In this case, the hydrostatic force causes the water to apply pressure to the membrane wall. This membrane has tiny holes through which water molecules can pass, but microscopic components and germs cannot pass through these pores due to their large size. Therefore, this pollutant separated from the water. We have come up with list of best water purifier brands out there for you to take a look. They have been listed as per their feature and value for money. These are available on e-commerce sites as well, so you can easily buy them. Hence, our guide helps you to choose best water purifier India 2020 in the right manner.